Intui.travel discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Intui.travel and how you can use it. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, I just want to say that you can click the link in the description below to sign up, and also you can find promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on your bookings to save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So it's very easy to use. All you got to do is just come over to the website and you can sign up, right, by clicking on the account button. You can log in as a client, as an agent, or a supplier, wherever you want. And then all you got to do is just type in your details over here. So your pickup location, your drop off location, date, time, and everything else. And it's pretty simple. You can see right here, these are the type of transfer that they offer: car and boat, private transfers, bottle, shuttle bus, and economy, right? And this is how it works. So all you got to do is place your order, enter the arrival date and time for your flight, drop off and drop off address, drop off place and drop off address, and then you receive the documents. Then basically you get the receipts and everything. Then once you've arrived at the landing zone, or the instructions, once you've arrived at the designation, you just instruct the driver, which is waiting for you over there, by showing them the documents, and then the driver will follow the instructions and take you to the place that you have already put up over here. So it's pretty simple. So let's suppose we put in LAX, right? Los Angeles Airport. Drop off is going to be downtown LA. You can set your date, your time, and passengers. Then you hit the search button, all right? And then you're going to see a list of all the vehicles available, and you can go ahead and pick whatever you want. You also have on the left hand side some filters, so you can go ahead and filter out some of the vehicles that you don't like and the ones that you want. And then all you got to do is just select the car that you like. So let's go ahead and select this Tucson. Click on book now, and here you can see all of the details of the car and what it offers. You can see right here, drivers, 32 minutes, free water, no smoking. You also get the type of payment. So over here you can add additional hours. You can have a car seat, like a baby or a child car seat. And then all you got to do is fill out this form, and then at the bottom you can see you have the payment type, and here you can just simply input a promo code or a discount code that you can find in the description below. So once you've added that, you get a pretty hefty discount, and then you are good to go. So it's as simple as that. So that's how you do it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.